Welcome. In this short video, we're going to introduce you to an important concept used in many industries around the world, Six Sigma. So what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a method used to improve how work gets done. It helps organizations become more consistent by reducing variation and eliminating defects in their processes. Instead of relying on guesswork or personal opinions, Six Sigma focuses on using data and facts to understand what's really happening and why. It is all about identifying the root cause of a problem so that teams can make meaningful, lasting improvements. So where can Six Sigma be used? Six Sigma can be applied to almost any process, whether you're building a product, offering a service, or managing internal operations. And when it's applied effectively, it helps organizations improve product and service quality, increase efficiency, reduce waste, and make better decisions with data. At the heart of it, Six Sigma is about consistency, because when a process runs the same way every time, it's more reliable, more efficient, and often more cost-effective. That consistency is what sets high-performing processes apart, and it's exactly what Six Sigma is designed to achieve. Now that you have a basic understanding, you're ready to explore how Six Sigma works and how it can benefit your work too.